Hello friends, in this video we will talk about a recursion problem, reverse the linked list. It's an example of recursion. I have created another video on the concept of recursion with the Tower of Hanoi example and very simple example of summing n numbers. Please check out that video if you want to understand the concepts required in the recursion approach. So in this, let's see how you will code a recursive approach for solving reversing the linked list. So let's first see what this reversing of linked list means. Let's say you are given a linked list and linked list has a data and a next reference, right? And at the top we have a head reference. So each node have these two data point and head is given, so that now your goal is to reverse this. So reversal will work like this. So here you can see head become the this fifth one, right? And the next for fifth is 4. Here next was null, right? And the linked list in the original case was going from 1 2 3 4 5, and in the reversal it's 5 4 3 2 1. Now let's see how you can put this in a recursion manner. So in recursion there are two things, right? You have to decide what will be our base condition, and the second will be division of this problem, division into smaller problem, right? So let's think of these two conditions. If you crack these two things in any recursive approach, you will be very comfortable in writing that code of that particular problem. So first let's see. Let's try to break down this into the smaller problem. What if I say, instead of reversing everything, if you reverse, let's say head is given, so you reverse head dot next, and yeah, and whatever is returned, let's say this is it is returning a reference of temp. Now temp dot next will be our head, right? And this is a code for reverse head, right? So what you are doing, basically you are reversing head. Instead of reversing head, if I say reverse head dot next, so what you are saying, basically head move this to this pointer. First you come and reverse this, then whatever is returned, I'll make its next to this current head, right? So this way your basically the linked list will be reversed, right? But till what point you have to go? Till if basically now we have to decide about the base condition. This is the division of problems. Now the base condition will be if head equal to null or head dot next equal to null, or let's keep very simple, right? If head equal to null, just return that, right? So with that you will get head, which is basically null. Now let's try to dry run this same thing on this problem, then we will write the code. When you dry run, I am saying instead of returning reversing this 1, reverse 2 3 4 5, right? This one. Then the second stage, I am saying don't reverse this 2 to 5. First reverse this problem and then we will reverse this. Similarly, now we are dividing it further. Instead of reversing from here, reverse this, then we will reverse 3. And instead of this, first reverse 5 and then we will reverse this. Now head is not null, right? Condition is head is null. So instead of this, we will say first reverse whatever which is null basically, and then I will reverse this. So the base condition will return from here. Now whatever is returned, its next will become this 5, right? But because this is null, so its next is obviously will crash. So in this case you have to put a check. If your return pointer is null, then the current pointer become head. This will be your head. Okay. So now let's write and see how it will look like. Reverse linked list. You are given a head. Okay. And let's take new head, right? What it will does, it will take as a head pointer and return a new head, pointer or reference, whichever the language you choose. So now if you write the base condition, if head is equal to null, right, then return. Else, if this is not true, then what you have to do, whatever is returned, first of all reverse linked list with head dot next and new head. And new head initially provided as a null, we will populate that variable. Now this will return some temp variable, right? Now here you have to check if temp equal to null, then your new head become this head, right, because the current pointer. If, right, if this is equal to null, else what you have to do, or else not, basically this will remain. So let's write else. I'm using Python syntax, but this is applicable to all the languages. So here now what will be the condition? You have to move your head dot next equal to what? This temp, right? And now what you have to return? Your head. Yeah, it will be here, right? So at the end you are returning head, means the temporary head which the problem that we are solving. So if you run this code, dry run this code on this problem, you will get the right answer. And at the end the new head, basically the last pointer, will be saved in this reference or this pointer, this new head one, and your whole list will be reversed. Okay. Yeah. And by the way, at the last, if this is returned, right, then its next, the first next will be pointing to this. So you have to solve that also. So for the first pointer head, we need to write a wrapper function. In a wrapper function, we can call this head one and make its next equal to null, because the last, it will be the last pointer in case of reverse linked list. So with this, if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and like this video, click on the like button so that it will reach to others people as well, and subscribe to this channel. This will help this channel to grow. And with this note, this is BK from Anika signing off.